The creep life calculator using the Larson-Miller Parameter helps engineers predict the rupture time of materials under high-temperature stress conditions. Let's walk through the 4 input fields. First, we have temperature in Kelvin, where you enter the operating temperature of your material. Next is applied stress in megapascals, which represents the mechanical stress on your component. The material constant C is a specific value that depends on your material type, typically ranging from 17 to 23 for most alloys. Finally, the LMP value is the Larson-Miller parameter value, which correlates temperature and time to failure for your specific material. For our example, let's input temperature of 773 Kelvin, applied stress of 100 megapascals, material constant of 20, and an LMP value of 25,000. After clicking Calculate Rupture Time, the calculator processes these inputs through the Larson-Miller relationship. The output shows your predicted rupture time, which tells you how long your material will last before failure under these specific conditions. This time prediction is crucial for maintenance scheduling and ensuring safe operation of high-temperature equipment. Find the link in the description below.